Is Digiopinion really an easy way to earn $10 by taking paid service, or is it a waste of time? My name's Michael and I have tested hundreds of different paid service sites, and many viewers have asked me about this platform and whether I think it's a good option or not, and therefore I decided to record this Digiopinion review where I'll give you an inside look and show both the pros and the cons, because it definitely has both, and then you can decide for yourself if this is the right opportunity for you or not. So let's start by going over who can join. And when you're on the website, you can see there are different countries. You need to choose the right country for you. And these, I'm just scrolling through here, are the countries that it's available in. So you can see it's available in a lot of different countries. And in most of these countries, you will also then get the service in your local language. So that's just something to be aware of. That's how it in general is with paid service, but it's available in a lot of different countries. But of course, how many paid service you will get access to will vary a lot depending on the country you live in. But we'll talk a little bit more about the full earning potential later. For now, let me log in and then I can show you exactly how it works. So I am now logged into Digiopinion, and just one quick note is that when you sign up, and in general inside the platform, in my experience, there are quite a lot of ads, and even just after signing up, I was redirected to some different promotional offers that has nothing to do with the paid service, and it kind of ruins the usability a little bit, in my opinion. I don't like when you sign up for a paid service site and then you just redirect it to other promotional offers, because when I sign up, I'm signing up to get access to the paid service that are inside. So that's just something to be aware of. It doesn't mean you can't earn, because you can earn on Digiopinion. It's just something to be aware of. So if it gets a little bit confusing, that ads pop up or things like that, you know that that's just how it is. You have to accept that if you want to earn on Digiopinion. But how can you then earn? Let's talk about that. So Digiopinion is actually very basic and very simple, which also has its advantages because there are not a lot of different confusing things except for the ads that I just mentioned that you will sometimes encounter. But when you're logged in, you can see the paid service that are currently available on your dashboard, and you can see the estimated time it would take to complete them. Some of them give decent money for your time, others not so much, but it is fairly accurate, the time estimate in general, but you can just choose yourself which ones you want to take and which one you will not, and how much you will earn for your time also will vary a lot from country to country. But you can just check that here, and you can also this one try your luck and see if there's more paid service. I have not really seen great luck with this, to be honest, but maybe you will see more luck with that. But this is how it basically works. You just take the service, you see if you qualify. If you qualify, you will complete it, then you'll get your earnings into your account here. And you will also get an email when there are available surveys. Just a note though, from what I have seen after having tested it, and I've tested hundreds of different paid service sites, it does not give that many paid service. Some of the highest paying service sites, I will leave a link to a video I have about the highest paying service sites in the top corner, but many of those, they give several opportunities per day. That is not the case in my opinion, or where I live anyways, when it comes to Digiopinion. So that's just something to be aware of. So it does take some patience to earn. And how can you then get your earnings out once you've earned? Let's talk about that, because that's of course also very important to know. So once you're inside, you can see that you need to earn $10 and then you can redeem via PayPal. So that is the payout option. There might be different payout options in different countries. That is something you can see when you are inside. And the reason I haven't earned anything, I'll be honest with you, that is because I have tested hundreds of different paid service sites, and I tested a few service here, and I tested it through a few weeks to see how many paid service I got. And I prefer just focusing on the top service sites, and that's why I have not really done anything here to take them. I will leave a link below also to a list so you can find the top service sites in your country, because I have a list for many different countries on my website. You can check that out. That's my top recommended options, and that's what I prefer doing instead. But you can get paid. I know people that have been paid. I know that it is possible to get paid. And I do like that they offer to pay in cash via PayPal. That's of course great. You need to earn $10. That's a fairly low payout threshold, but with the number of paid service you get on Digiopinion, it can still take some patience to reach. So you just need to be aware of that. So to sum it all up, Digiopinion is a legit paid service site. You can get paid for sharing your opinion. You just need to do it with the right expectations. It can take some time because they do not have a huge number of paid service, but it of course depends on the country you live in. But the payout options are in general quite good. The payout threshold is definitely also reasonable, but because of the fairly low number in some countries of paid service, it can still take some patience to reach. And overall, it's kind of just an average service site. As mentioned several times, I've tested hundreds of different paid service sites, and I prefer just using the top service sites because there are so many to choose from. And that's why I think it's a decent paid service site. If you're a member, if you've earned, that's fine. You can definitely get paid. That's fine. No problem there. But if you want to just focus on the most effective paid service sites, then there are, in my opinion, other options that are better. I will leave a link below to a list I have of the best paid service sites in a lot of different countries, so you can find the exact best one for your country, because a lot of it comes down to that. But also, if you have different opinions or experiences with Digiopinion, please feel free to share in a comment below which country you're from, how much you've earned, what your opinion is about. That would be great to hear as well. But many people have asked me about my opinion, and this is it. And I hope this video helped you. And if it did, then make sure to hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time there's a video with tips and tricks about different ways to make money online.